How to make an old phone faster? Not ready to upgrade yet? Follow these tips to squeeze some more life from your current mobile phone. If your smartphone is starting to show signs of age and is not running as fast as it used to, don't worry, that does not necessarily mean you need to ditch it for a new one rather than spending a bunch of money on a replacement right away. You should try to rehabilitate your existing device first. Sluggish performance can often be fixed with simple software based maintenance that you can perform with just a few taps. So, with that in mind, here are some easy steps you can follow to make you your phone faster and save it from the recycling bin. Hard restart. The quickest solution to boosting how fast your phone runs is to restart it. Doing so can clear many of the issues that might be slowing it down, like app catching, running amok, network connectivity difficulties, and memory glitches. For an iPhone, you press and release the volume up button and then do the same with the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For an Android, the method can differ from phone to phone, but a general rule you can press and hold both the power button and the volume down button for a few seconds until the phone turns off. Give it a few seconds and then hold down the power button to turn it back on. Uninstall apps you are not using. Your phone could be suffering from a case of too many apps. Not only can they slow things down, taking up a lot of storage, but they could also all be refreshing in the background. The first step is to check which apps you are using on an iPhone. Go to setting into general device storage. You shall be able to see what apps you use the least. Tap them and select delete app if you have any regrets and want them back later. You can find them by going to the app store, clicking on your profile and then selecting purchased, where you shall be able to re-download at no extra charge. If you don't want to lose your settings in an app but also don't want to have it take up storage, you can offload it by selecting offload app instead of delete app. That will remain on your home screen, but you shall need to tap to re-download to get back in. You can also set up the automatic removal of apps so you don't use often. Go to setting, app store, offload unused apps and toggle it on. On most Android devices, you will be able to check your apps by going to settings, storage apps. There you can see what apps you are not using and you shall be able to remove them by clicking uninstall. To re-download any apps you miss, go to Google Play, click your profile and then go to manage apps and device. Into manage you shall see all of your previously downloaded apps. Alternatively, Android also has an auto archive feature that leaves unused apps on your phone but remove their data and files until you start reusing them again. To turn it on, go to the Google Play Store, click on your profile and then go to settings, automatically archive apps and toggle it to on. Update remaining apps. Now that you are down to just the apps you use regularly, you should make sure you are running the most optimized efficient version of them. On an iPhone, go to the App Store and select your account at the top right. Scroll